Hello students, let us discuss some questions. Consider a circular loop of wire lying in the plane of the table. Let the current pass through the loop clockwise. Apply the right hand rule to find out the direction of the magnetic field inside and outside the loop. Children, here the circular loop is kept on the table, that is lying on the table. Okay, here you can see that circular loop. Here it is given as the direction of current is in clockwise. So you can see the current, direction of current, this is in clockwise direction. Here we have to apply the right hand thumb rule to find out the direction of the magnetic field inside and outside the loop. Children, what you have to do, you have to imagine you are holding this circular loop in your hand. Now you can see, no, thumb gives the direction of current, the wrapped fingers give you the direction of magnetic field. So children, here you can see the current is in this direction. If you are holding this, you have to imagine that you are holding this, then you can see these magnetic field lines are piercing into the plane of that table and emerging from here. Outside that loop you can see that is emerging from the plane of that table. Here, now you can see here the current is in this direction. Now like this way, thumb gives us the direction of current. So you have to imagine you are holding the circular loop like this way. So here also you can see inside the loop the magnetic field lines are piercing into the table, and outside the loop you can see these magnetic field lines are emerging from the table. So from this we can say inside the circular loop magnetic field is in downward direction and the magnetic field lines pierce inside the table, not the field. Okay, now here outside the loop you can see the magnetic field is in upward direction, and we can say these magnetic field lines appear to emerge from the table. Okay. Listen children, next question. A positively charged particle or alpha particle projected towards west, that is deflected towards north by a magnetic field. The direction of magnetic field is what? Listen children, here a positively charged particle, proton also, an alpha particle that is projected towards west. You know, positively charged particle, the direction of positively charged particle we are considering as the direction of current. So here you can see this is the direction of current towards west. We have to mark the direction of current. Then it is given as this particle is deflected towards north by a magnetic field. This particle is deflected towards north. So we can say towards north, that is the direction of force or the direction of motion of that particle. From this we have to find the direction of magnetic field. Which rule we can use here? Fleming's left hand rule we can use here to find the direction of magnetic field. Listen children, according to Fleming's left hand rule, you know, thumb gives the direction of motion of conductor, middle finger gives you the direction of current, and index finger gives you the direction of magnetic field. Here you can see this is the direction of current, this is the direction of magnetic field. So you can see index finger is in this way. So from this we can say here the magnetic field is in upward direction. How to represent that? A dot in a circle. From this we can say here the magnetic field is in upward direction. Next question. Imagine you are sitting in a chamber with your back to one wall. An electron beam moving horizontally from back wall towards the front wall. It is deflected by a strong magnetic field to your right side. Direction of magnetic field. What is the direction of magnetic field? Here direction of current we can say, direction of motion of that particle is given there. We have to find the direction of magnetic field. So which rule we can apply here? Fleming's left hand rule. Listen children, You are sitting in a chamber with your back to one wall. Here we can say this is the back wall and that is the front wall. An electron beam moving horizontally from back wall towards the front wall. The direction of electron beam is from back wall to front wall. So you know children, direction of current is opposite to that of the electron beam. So we can say here this is the direction of current. Direction of current is from front wall to back wall. Then it is given these particles deflected by a strong magnetic field to your right side. This beam, okay, these electrons are deflecting towards right side due to that strong magnetic field. So we can show the direction of force like this way. Now we have to get the direction of magnetic field. Listen children, here according to Fleming's left hand rule we can say middle finger gives the direction of current, thumb gives the direction of motion, direction of force. Then we can say index finger gives the direction of magnetic field. You can see the direction of magnetic field is in downward direction. Okay children, I told you direction of current, front wall to back wall. This is the direction of force. So like this way we can represent the magnetic field that is vertically in downward direction. That means that is perpendicular to the plane of that paper. If you are considering this is a paper, you can represent like this way. That's why children, perpendicular to that paper, into that paper means like this way you can mark that magnetic field. Emerging from that in upward direction means like this way you can represent that magnetic field. So here magnetic field is in downward direction, like this way you can represent magnetic field in your paper. Okay, thank you children.